As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, many industries are being disrupted by the emergence of artificial intelligence. One such industry is software development, where AI is beginning to take over certain tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human developers. Just as robots have replaced human workers in manufacturing, AI is now starting to take on tasks in software development such as code testing, debugging, and even coding itself. This is made possible by the use of machine learning algorithms that can be trained to write code and perform other tasks that were once thought to be exclusively domain of human developers. This may seem like a scary prospect for many developers, right? But it's important to remember that AI is not here to replace you or your brain for now. Instead, it's here to augment your abilities and help us to be more productive. By offloading repetitive and time-consuming tasks, developers can focus on more creative or strategic tasks. As AI becomes more and more prevalent in the software development world, it's important for the developers to stay up to date and to learn how to work alongside the AI. This will ensure that you remain valuable and in demand for the job market. With the right skills and mindset, you will thrive in this era of AI-assisted software development. Stay ahead of the game and embrace the future of software development. With AI on your side, the possibilities are endless. Everything that I talked so far was written by OpenAI Chat. Let's talk about it. Alright, so indeed the possibilities are endless, and the productivity using tools like Copilot or OpenAI should disrupt the way you work, right? Even tasks like creating this little script for this video was much easier and much faster using OpenAI Chat. The keyword here is productivity. Now, imagine that YouTubers would be able to communicate with their audience in a frequency that we may have never seen before, right? Maybe we will have like boom videos with interesting content and not so interesting based on AI content, based on AI generated texts. We currently have DALL-E that creates and replicates art from a dataset model, and we even, for God's sake, we even have AI prototyping videos, right? In the future, we probably will have YouTubers that are specialized in creating content automatically and in a regular basis based on what you like, what I like. So that's an interesting thing to keep in mind. Teachers are also worried because students are using the chat to do their homework. The chat per se is a very good teacher, right? You can ask everything and it's going to answer you. Sometimes it's not going to be that well, but you get the picture, right? Perhaps we need to rethink the educational system. Instead of producing students that are capable of memorizing to reach to a score, to produce people that have passion for knowledge. But I'm getting off track here. Examples like this go on and on. A lot yet should be discussed though about the curatorship of the content, right? Since it's a dataset, it might be full of bias and full of not trustworthy information. And how to reduce the noise and the fake news from its judgment from, like, for example, when it's plugged to internet. Regarding us developers, it can give not accurate information sometimes and even dangerous if you don't know what you are doing. In any case, people that are going to be replaced, they are probably good code writers, right? It's not much different from people that were typists back in the day. We're going to stop actually doing code writing to actually do software engineering. We need to communicate effectively with our peers, with our stakeholders, and do what we do the best, right? Which is learn how to learn when and what to learn. We need to do more software engineering and less code writing. That part we can leave for the AI. We probably are going to see the raising of what's being called prompt engineering, which are people that can take most of these algorithms. That's a topic for another video. In the end, OpenAI is a tool, and like any other tool, you need to use it effectively and accordingly, right? After all, when all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. I'm very excited for the future. You should be too. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.